veteran Major Carroll this past Thursday in Great Falls. His family is here and cannot imagine a more fitting and final tribute than the roar of the Thunderbirds and the other performers overhead today. I ask you now for a moment of silence as we thank Major Carroll for his service. Thank you. Now it's my pleasure to introduce to you Staff Sergeant Eric Chang as we